In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the address not found error on Gmail. This issue can be quite frustrating, especially when you're trying to send an important email. The cause of this message can range from minor address entry mistakes to more complex issues, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through the steps you need to take to resolve this problem efficiently. First, let's start by covering some of the basics. Ensure that the email address you're trying to send to is correctly entered. This might sound simple, but a common cause of this error is a misspelled or mistyped email address. So take a second look at the email address before we proceed. If the address appears correct and you're still encountering issues, the next step is to verify whether the email address actually exists. You can do this by performing a Google search about fixing the address not found issue on Gmail. This will lead you to resources online that can help you verify the existence of an email address. Although manually checking can be a bit tedious, it is crucial to determine whether the person you're emailing still uses the account. Sometimes the recipient might have deactivated or changed their email address. Assuming everything is in order up to this point, it's important to check your Gmail account to ensure there aren't any issues on your end. Don't forget to ensure that your Gmail app or webmail is running on the latest version. Outdated apps can sometimes lead to unexpected errors. You can update your app via the App Store or by checking for updates on your computer's browser settings. Now, let's take a moment to consider if there are any issues related to your network connection. Unstable internet connections can sometimes cause intermittent errors when sending emails. Make sure you have a stable internet connection by checking other internet-dependent apps or services to see if they are working fine. Rebooting your router or modem might also help resolve connectivity issues. If after all these steps you're still enduring the error message, it might be time to clear your browser's cache. Sometimes corrupted data can lead to sending issues. On most browsers, you can do this by going to the settings, navigating to the privacy section, and choosing the option to clear browsing data. Make sure to select both cache and cookies to ensure a clean slate. Lastly, be sure to double-check any email filters or spam settings which might affect email sending within your Gmail settings. Occasionally, overly strict filters can block legitimate email addresses from being sent. Adjust these settings and give another try. By following these steps carefully, you should be well equipped to clear up the address not found error on Gmail. So take a deep breath, follow through with these instructions, and you'll be back on track in no time.